Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, we reviewed the vowels of American English. Today, I'll teach you about consonants. What are consonants? How do we make them? How are they different in Japanese and English? First, what are consonants? Consonants are sounds that have some constriction. Your tongue moves close to the top of your mouth or touches, like in sa, ta. Sometimes your lips touch together, or your teeth in English. Consonants have three important points: place, manner, and voice. Let's look at each of them. First, place. When we say place, we mean where do the parts come together? All of these places have special names, but this video is about learning English. You don't have to remember all of the strange names. Here are some English sounds that use different places, from the front to back, like in this diagram. A pa, a pa, a fa, a fa, a ta, a ta, a sha, a sha, a ka, a ka, a ha, a ha. Try these sounds. Feel them in your mouth. A pa, a fa, a ta, a sha, a ka, a ha. Do you feel? They go front to back. Manner is another important part. How do the parts in your mouth touch? Do they touch completely? A pa, a pa? Do they come close? A fa, a fa? Let's try some English sounds with different manners or ways of closing. A pa, a pa, a ma, a ma, a fa, a fa, a ra, a ra, a la, a la. Try these sounds. Feel them in your mouth. A pa, a ma, a fa, a ra, a la. Can you feel? All of them have a different way to touch. Voice means that your vocal folds are moving. When you whisper, your vocal folds are open and there is no voice. When they close together, the meat in your throat touches together very fast, pada, 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 and makes your voice. Let's try some pairs of English sounds that are voiced and voiceless. Touch here, you can feel. pa, a ba, a fa, a va, a sa, a za, a sha, a ja, a ka, a ga. Touch your throat. Try these sounds. Can you feel the difference? A pa, a ba, a fa, a va, a sa, a za, a sha, a ja, a ka, a ga. Let's try some phrases. First, front to back. Pay for today's shock. Pay for today's shock. Back to front. Casually vape. Casually vape. Now, all plosives. In Japanese, haretsung. Papa got bad. Papa got bad. Now, all nasals. In Japanese, bion. Mama, no moaning. Mama, no moaning. Now, all fricatives. Masatsun. She says this is 5. She says this is 5. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. In the next lesson, I'll teach you about the fricative consonants. F, th, th, and the. These are completely new for Japanese people. But don't worry, you have the same mouth that I do. You can do it. See you next time. Bye-bye.